Hi, and welcome back in a new episode of Detailing Guru. In this one, we will tell you all about overspray, what it is, how does it land on your car, and how you can safely remove it. Gary, what is overspray?
So overspray is an airborne contamination that mainly comes from body shops or smart repairs, but it's not always the case. It can come from industrial areas, from painting fences to painting buildings.
So, how can we safely remove it?
The best way to remove it is by clay, and that is starting off with a mild clay and, if need be, work up to a coarser grade.
Whether you use a coarse clay or a mild clay, afterwards you will need to do a hand or a machine polish.
So let's show you how to do it.
On this black car it's pretty obvious to find overspray, but in many cases you will not see it. There is a trick though. After your washing process you can grab a plastic bag or a cigarette bag, put your hand in it and rub over the surface. You might hear some strange things. Remember though that it might not always be only overspray. There are far more other contaminants that can land on your car.
We've now found our area of contamination, so we're going to move into the clay process. But always remember to start with your mildest grade first and work up if needed. And there you have it, we've removed the overspray from the vehicle. Remember, if you're trying to paint your calipers or exhaust tips, to make sure you are correctly masking your vehicle up. Those airborne contaminants are going to eventually land down on your vehicle.
And with that great advice, we call it a day. I hope you liked this episode. Feel free to comment. We are out. Ciao.